Hello everyone! Thanks for joining me in the Allan block workshop to learn about what it takes to successfully construct your Allan block retaining wall project. What I will walk you through today is the base course installation steps for proper retaining wall construction. This will be done once you've prepared your site, dug your trench, and then compacted your wall rock in the base. Now let's head out back and get started. How you level your base course will influence the entire wall. We outlined the basic steps, but if you would like additional help, please refer to our installation guides found on our website. Begin the base course at the lowest wall elevation. The first course of blocks should be buried a minimum of 6 inches or 1 inch per foot of wall height. If there is a slope below the wall or the approved plans or site itself requires engineering, contact a local engineer or your Allan block representative for more assistance. Once your string line is in place and taking care not to walk in the base trench area once it has been leveled, place the first block in the center of the trench following the string line, with the raised front flip facing up and forward. Check for level and alignment from side to side and front to back. Place the blocks tight together. You can also make adjustments by adding or placing a small amount of wall rock under the block. Irregularities in the base course become larger as the wall stacks up, so use a longer level to span multiple blocks to check the entire base course. Careful attention to a straight and level base course will ensure a quality finished wall. A quick tip for checking blocks for level is to look at the seam between the blocks. If the seams are not flush, the block is not level. Check the position of each block by using a string line across the back of the blocks or by sighting down the back of the raised front lip. So let's review what we have covered for base course installation. Begin your base course at the lowest point and ensure you have a minimum of 6 inches or 1 inch of buried block for every foot of wall height. Run a string line to represent where the back of the blocks need to be in the trench. Start by placing each block in the center of the trench, following the string line with the raised front lip facing up and forward. Check each block for level and alignment from side to side and front to back, making adjustments as necessary. When placing each block, ensure they are tight together. As additional blocks are installed, use a longer level to span multiple blocks to check the entire base course as you go, using the string line across the back of the blocks to hold their positioning. One of the most important characteristics of a quality wall is a level base course. This is why you need to take your time and follow this simple process. For the next steps, watch the backfill and compaction video or visit us at allanblock.com. Happy building! Always better, always Allan block.